Welcome to PrepEdge USA. Total questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin. Which word is a synonym of reluctant? C. Hesitant. Choose the correctly spelled word. B. Accommodate. Identify the part of speech. Quickly. D. Adverb. Choose the correct article. He bought Juan's umbrella. C. An. Find the antonym of generous. B. Stingy.
Choose the correct word. He is better Hulk his brother. B then. Which of these is a question tag? A, isn't it? Which one is a plural noun? B, children. Find the correct preposition. She arrived alike the airport. C, at. Which is the superlative form? C, best. What comes next? 2, 4, 8, 16? C, 32. Which one is the odd one out? D, carrot. If all A's are 36, ball A's 38, then call Egon. A, 40. John is taller than Mike. Mike is taller than Alex. Who is shortest? B, Alex. Which word can go before Onzar light as this man such a keeper? A, fire.